The Massachusetts Institute of Technology released a report last week, The State of AI in Business 2025. It swept through executive suites around the world, sparking blunt conversations about what's actually creating value in AI. Its headline finding that most pilots aren't yet delivering measurable business impact. This breathtaking message has already reshaped board agendas and even rippled through markets. The takeaway for leaders? The gap between the few winners and everyone else is widening. And it's time to move from pilots to profits and losses. Here where we work, we've funded a lot of AI apps, hired experts, and bought shiny tools, only to walk away from some of them. Some would have us believe that the stats on the dashboards are barely blinking. Meanwhile, quiet as prayer, the work is changing in inboxes, ticket queues, and spreadsheets. Some official build-outs of applications that use AI to transform work have indeed stalled. Unofficial efforts have thrived, and many of them have moved the needle. We funded the pilots, many of which, quote-unquote, failed. Yet our people absorbed the learning, and things are changing. Here are a couple things I have learned. Myth: AI is failing. Reality: it's not the app, it's the loop. Too many apps don't remember context, capture feedback, or integrate with systems of record. So they don't improve with use, and therefore, we don't trust them. Myth: a bigger model will save us. Reality: the cheapest upgrade is a better loop, with humans in review, memory across sessions, users, profiles, and history integrated automatically. Workflow-aware executions integrated. Myth: the value is in massive transformations in how we do work. Reality: the best ROI hides in back-office seams, service ops, document flows, procurement, where cycle time and external spend drop. I know. I led the Microsoft 365 Copilot rollout. People told me it sucked. Demos landed flat. Then, a handful of business users showed us training materials done in days instead of weeks, because they trusted it, used it daily, and sent feedback. Their experiences were not unusual or unique. Once they got past the hype, they found ways to really move the needle. The turning point for me in understanding how this should work was a large regulatory and legal effort. We iterated with real staff from the team that would use the solution. Every other day, small changes. We stopped blaming immature models and faced our data, process, and tech gaps. We told leadership the hard thing. Our people create value. Demos don't. This humility wasn't a concession. It was an accelerant. So how do we win with AI? Step 1. Surface, action, secure. Go where the work lives. Surface the shadow usage that already works. Take action. Document the process. Name the patterns. Formalize the wins. Then secure it with light guardrails, data boundaries, citation norms, review triggers, basic quality metrics. While doing this, think of water in cupped hands. Squeeze and you lose it. Think of governance as stewardship. Act justly, love mercy, walk humbly, written as policy, and lived in release notes. You will know you have the right level of governance when it acts as an overall acceleration of your ability to deliver on your metrics. Step 2. Rewire one workflow. Choose an unglamorous, high-volume seam. Triage, exceptions, intake. Don't bolt on a point solution. Build a loop. Capture human feedback by design. Add memory of your data, of your processes, of your people. Integrate with systems of record and make changes that move the needle. Then measure what matters: throughput, cycle time, error rate, external spend. You know, all those metrics you learned about in those operational improvement classes. This is where ROI shows up, quietly, reliably. Ordinary time, not fireworks. Step 3. Buy, then build. Start with partners who can deploy now and who can deploy again tomorrow, and then the next day. Hold them to operational outcomes. Tickets closed, invoices cleared, minutes saved, not demo metrics. Build in-house where you have durable advantage, regulatory need, data sovereignty, unique process. Think of it like housing. Sometimes you move into a fully furnished apartment and all you need to do are the weekly chores. Sometimes you design from the ground up with a full team of professionals. Both can be faithful. Both are useful. Both build to different needs. But if you need impact now, move in and keep the weekly cadence. As the monastic orders say, always we begin again. The big idea, plainly, treat AI as a learning system. Formalize what workers already do well. Rewire one workflow at a time, where the ROI actually lives. If you can pull this off with discipline over the course of several years, then you will turn around when you come to the end of those years, and you will have transformed your organization.